we're on the move. Didn't end up doing anything yesterday on our second day in Hiroshima because it absolutely chucked it down all day. So we just couldn't really do anything. But today we are on the way to the train station, and we are going to Fukuoka. I think that's how you say it. So we're going to get a tram back to Hiroshima station, and then we're getting on the train, and I believe we're getting on another bullet train. I think you can only get a bullet train there. So yes, that'll be fun, and it will be our last bullet train journey of our trip to Japan. Very, very sunny day today, very different to yesterday. So yes, we're just going to go and get the tram now, so cut to us when we are in Hiroshima station.
What's up, gang? How you doing in there? Is anyone in there? We're just about to get on the Shinkansen. This was an 8 carriage one, which is too small. It's really long, obviously, but there's 16 carriage ones, so half the size. So that means it's going to be just as packed. It means it's going to be a lot more packed.
We've got packed lunch.
And we've got packed lunch.
So Kyle got a
chicken egg teriyaki. Chicken egg teriyaki. Chicken raki.
Chicken raki.
Eggy raki chicken.
Eggy raki. I got chicken, egg, vegetables, chili sauce, elite sandwich.
Oh, yeah, that is a very nice sandwich.
Just a little egg fried rice because these are so good. And 2 waters.
Also, have you told them what you done in your suitcase?
No, I didn't have.
He's had a suitcase. How long? 1 travel day, and she's already broke it.
I didn't break it.
She dropped it.
I didn't drop it.
Hey.
It got stuck. Wheel got stuck.
Yeah, I said. We've got 5 minutes to wait for the next one. So in the meantime, switch to us, grinding our faces as per usual on the bullet train.
So we're now in our hotel room, and we'll start with the view first, which is this, and we're on the top floor, floor 12. And this is our room, so we've got a telly, a desk, the bed, a little bit of area here for clothes. There's not honestly very much room in this hotel, so I have put my suitcase under the bed because it is a little bit small. And then the bathroom, toilet, sink, bath, shower, mirror. We are now just getting ready to go out, and we think we're going to find a conveyor belt sushi, aren't we?
Yeah.
For tea.
Yeah.
And go and see if we can finally get some
Birkenstocks.
Because we're not having much luck trying to get some Birkenstocks for South Korea.
Because everyone in Asia's got small feet and we have huge feet.
Apparently.
We've both had a bit of an outbreak. Me more than Eve. I think it's just a combination of shit food, well, nice food, but unhealthy food, and dirt of the cities. Change your bed all the time. Might have something to do with that anyway. So we're gonna go get some scran the lamb and some Birks. So I'll see you there.
One good thing about our hotel, and our hotel's here, the train is here. So we'll always try and get our hotels quite close to the stations. This time it's worked absolutely amazingly. The airport here is like very, very central, in the middle of everything, which is quite strange, but it's also quite good because when we fly to Okinawa in 3 days, but don't have to take ages to get here.
Place we're going to, Okinawa. Not many people go there. Not many people know of it, to be honest with you. Apparently, it's meant to be an unreal island in Japan. Where's my phone too? Unreal island in Japan. There's scuba diving, there's turtles, there's lovely beaches, the city's lovely. It's meant to be like unreal. What I see, the pictures that I'm seeing and comparing it to is like it looks like San Andreas from GTA. Looks lovely.
We're there for 8 days before we go to South Korea. It's very quiet down here now. Everywhere in Japan, in public, is so quiet, isn't it?
Yes.
Everywhere's so peaceful. Like, listen. And this is a subway station. It's just absolute silence.
It's busy as well. There's quite a lot of people.
Yeah. This is why Japan's so good. It's so quiet. Tea time. Tea time. So I've ordered some noodles each. We spent, how long do you think we spent looking for that shop? Like
half an hour.
Half an hour looking for the Birkenstock shop, and they were far too expensive. So we didn't get any.
There's like 3 or 4 different shopping malls
Yeah,
in one place.
yeah, it's very confusing. So we'll come for tea instead. And we've ordered a noodle dish each, so I'll show you when that arrives. 9 and there's tax. Look nice?
That's unreal, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so that's noodles and egg, cheese,
Some sort of sauce.
barbecue sauce.
Nice.